Hello everyone and welcome to my car enthusiast channel. This is my X5 Hybrid 40E and I didn't record much video lately. Apologies for that due to work and I'm extremely busy. I just don't have much time to record for this channel. I plan to record more videos for this channel initially, but I'm getting super tired. And of course there's an incident, I will record it just like what's happening today. Now this is what I have on back there as well to charge my hybrid car, and this is the isolator. Doesn't look much except that if I turn it around you can see there's a stain here. Well, it's not a stain, it's a burn mark, so it did caught a small fire which luckily didn't burn my entire house. Reason is because, which I'm going to explain later in the video. And if I open it up, you can see there is melting stuff inside there. I'm not sure what is melting. I think the black wire got melted or something like that. So this incident started to happen when I get the contractor. If you following my channel, you will see that there's exposed wiring. It's in the casing, so I don't like the look of it, and I get the contractor to put it inside the wall, more or less. So it looks more neat and more clean. You can see it goes all the way to the DB box. However, those contractors, they are not electrical wiring contractors. I'm pretty sure they are not certified, and this happened. That happened yesterday, late yesterday, when I saw my car wasn't charging. I came down and saw the burn mark here on the wall. Of course, I just repainted it and got this replaced the next morning. So this is a new isolator. I get the proper certified electrician to install it. Actually, in fact, I plan to install it myself, since I take a picture of this as well. I know which wire goes to which wire, but I said, no, I'm not going to take the risk. Hence, I get a proper electrician to do the installation and testing. So they did the installation, check the wires, and also they checked against the DB box as well. So this is a new one and everything is charging, as you can see. No problem whatsoever. Previously when the contractor installed this one reinstalled back, I did hear some electrical hissing sound, but it's just very intermittent. Sometimes I hear it, but most of the time I don't hear it. I don't even get any burning smell, but it just so happened yesterday. This is the only time that it just burned off the entire isolator. So it is what it is. In fact, I did record a video earlier, but somehow, yeah, the video was corrupted, so I'm re-recording. As you can see, I'm wearing a different shirt.
Okay.
So the moral of the story is, make sure to get a certified electrician to install your EVSE box and also your wiring for the isolator all the way to your DB box. It's not a joke. All these equipment are high voltage, so we don't want to mess up. So if you DIY, make sure you know what you're doing and make sure to get the right person to do it. Otherwise, this may happen to you like what happened to me. Luckily, just a small burn. If it's a big burn, likely the entire house will go together, including my beloved car here. And yeah, you don't want that to happen. So be safe. Get an electrician to do all this installation. Don't DIY. I would advise you don't DIY. These are high current shit. Okay?